Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So guys, this is week 1 assignment of the course Data Analytics with Python. So guys, for the past 5 years, we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses, including this course as well. So I try to give my best to upload all the week assignments if possible. So in order to do that, we need some encouragement from you guys and your support as well. So you can show us the support by subscribing our channel and like this video, and please share this with your friends and classmates in WhatsApp student groups guys, so that it will reach all other students as well. And do definitely do like the video guys, then only our video will appear in suggestions for other students as well, so that they will also get benefited like you. So let's see the first question, and do watch the full video guys. Don't skip the video, because if you make any changes in between the solutions of this video, you can be able to note that. So do watch full video. First question, state true or false. So the statement is data can be generated by machines but not by humans. So it is false guys. It can be generated by both machines and humans, right? So mark second option as the probable solution for first question. So let me zoom this for you. I think it's not visible properly. Yeah. Hope now it is visible for you guys. Next, second question. So friends, these are completely my probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to your notice, please give a shout out in the comment section. So I will try to solve your doubt. And if it come to my notice, definitely I will update the solution in the comment section. But I think almost all the solutions are correct. So if there are any rare changes, I will definitely mention in the comment section if it come to my notice. So please try to provide your valuable feedback as always. So second question, which one of the following is not a classification of data analytics? So for second question, the probable answer is second option, deceptive analytics. Deceptive analytics. Second option. Now let's move on to the third question, guys. State true or false. Guys, once again, before the final submission, once again check the comment section if any solution I have made the changes. So I will definitely update that in the comment section, guys. So don't forget to check the comment section before the final submission. Next, nominal scale is the lowest level of measurement and ratio scale is the highest level of measurement. So it is true. Next, fourth question. Guys, we have collected the past NPTEL MCQs with 100% correct answers. So in the later stages of the further weeks, I will announce the PDFs as well. So we have MCQ PDFs. So we'll tell you the price as well. So consider the following statements. So statement A, with iLock, we can pass in the negative values. Statement B, with lock, we can pass in the negative value. So which of the following is correct, guys? Either with iLock or lock or both. So for fourth question, the probable answer is third option. A is correct. So with iLock, we can pass negative values, but not with lock. So mark third option as the probable solution for fourth question. Now let's move on to the fifth one. Fifth one. For getting third, fourth, and sixth row of a data file in Python programming, we can write. So what will be the syntax? What is the uh, code we can write? What should be the our command? So index starts with 0, right? So for third, it will be one less. That is second, third, and fifth, right? So the name of the data file is df. So df dot loc lock of 2 comma 3 comma 5. So first option appear in suggestions. It will appear for more students like you. So they will also get benefited due to your busy schedule with other assignments. So you may not be able to do the assignments on your own. So we are trying to help you out in such situations. So other students will also get benefited if you please like the video, guys, and please share this within your WhatsApp college student groups. So your classmates also will be parallelly able to know this. And definitely subscribe our channel, guys, so that whenever I upload my videos, you can be able to get my videos as an update, and please click on the bell icon as well. Yeah, let's move on to the sixth one. So with past 5 years experience, we are providing these solutions, guys, and we're going to plan to provide you PDFs as well. So I will tell you the prices and number of MCQs you will get and number of persons access you can be able to access if you take it as a bulk or if you take it as a single person. So I'll mention the prices, guys. So we're doing this for the past 5 years. So sixth question, which of the following is not a measure of dispersion? So for sixth question, the probable answer is fourth option, percentile. Percentile is the correct answer for sixth question, guys. Now let's move on to the seventh one. State the following, true or false. So what is the statement? Bimodal data sets contains more than two modes. Is that true or false? So it is false, guys, because bimodal means it contains two data sets. Bi means two, right? So more than two modes means it is multimodal data, but they have given bimodal. So it is false. Next, eighth question, guys. Bar charts are used for what? So they are used for categorical data. They're used for categorical data. Second option. Next, ninth one. Ninth question. Median is not applicable to. Median is not applicable to nominal nominal data. So it can be applicable to both ordinal and interval as well. But for nominal, the median is not applicable. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, tenth one. So we are defining a function. The name is we have named it as m. So it takes the parameter data. So difference equals maximum of data minus minimum of data. So it will return the difference as the return type, right? I mean return value. So what is that mean? So here the difference means maximum minus minimum. So highest value of data minus minimum value of data. That will be definitely range. So the formula for range is max minus min, right? Maximum value of that particular data minus minimum value of that particular data. So range will be the probable solution for 10th and final question of the assignment 1. So friends, these are the solutions for week 1 assignment of the course data analytics using Python. So friends, these are the solutions. So keep supporting us, guys. Subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share this with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. We require your support and encouragement to upload further videos, guys. And we are uploading other solutions, other course solutions as well. So please check them out as well. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.